is a short animation for parents and carers about active reading. What is literacy? Literacy is talking and listening, reading and writing skills your children will need for the world we live in. The children are taught literacy now is different to the way you would have been taught at school. Children now work with a range of texts in order to prepare them for the world we live in. Curriculum for Excellence says a text can be a lot of different things, including the spoken words, websites, comics and magazines, film, as well as traditional books and textbooks. Children are encouraged to read a text 2 or 3 times before they engage questions around it. It can be really hard for pupils to remember facts from one reading. The teacher will provide the pupils with a walk through the text, identifying tricky words, main themes, and pupils will then be encouraged to read the text with a partner or independently. Active reading encourages people to use high-order reading skills. This does not just mean remembering facts about the text, but evaluating and analysing the text too. There are 6 comprehension strategies. 1 is prior knowledge and understanding. The teacher will establish what the pupils know about the things in the text. Strategy 2 is mental linguistics. This means looking at words and phrases. It would be searching for common words and looking for words and phrases which are interesting or tricky. Strategy 3 is visualization. With this strategy, pupils demonstrate their understanding of the text using a picture or mind map or diagram. Strategy 4 is inference. This means looking between the lines, trying to identify what characters are thinking as well as saying. Strategy 5 is main ideas. The pupils are encouraged to look at the main themes relating to plot, character, setting. Strategy 6 is summarizing. Pupils are encouraged to summarize the text in a variety of ways, for example in less than 20 words, or on a post-it note, or in a tweet in less than 140 characters. Paraphrasing is also added in now with other older pupils, where they are encouraged to provide alternative words and phrases to demonstrate their understanding. Active reading is not a race through a reading scheme. Pupils are encouraged to understand, use and apply these 6 comprehension strategies across a variety of texts. Pupils may not read the whole text. They may be working on a particular paragraph or chapter in the text. What can you help a child at home? Well, you could. Look out for signs and labels in that environment. Can they read these? Can they recognise tricky words in print? Read and add with your child. Make sure a trip to your local library. Get your child to read out recipes or a TV guide or newspapers and magazines. Look at text like timetables, takeaway menus, maybe asking questions like how long do we bake the scones for? Then looking at recipes. Ask your children to answer higher order questions relating to the text. Ask your children to comprehension strategy where they're working on school. Where can you find more information? You can ask your child's school if they are holding an active literacy reading workshop. For more information, please visit the following websites.